Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on the Motorola Moto E14 and also explain what each option in the recovery menu does. So let's get started. First we need to turn off the phone. Just press and hold the power button and the volume up button together until the menu appears. And now you just tap on power off and wait until display is completely black. Now press and hold power button and volume up button again, and when the Hello Moto logo appears, release both buttons, and then after a few seconds Android recovery screen appears. Once you are in the Android recovery menu, you can use the volume down and volume up buttons to move through the options. To confirm a selection, you need to press the power button. Now let me explain what each item in the recovery menu means. Reboot system now restarts your phone normally. Reboot to bootloader reboots into the bootloader screen. Enter fast boot launches the fast boot interface used for firmware flashing or unlocking the bootloader. Apply update from ADB lets you install a software update from a connected computer. Apply update from SD card installs an update or firmware file from your SD card. Wipe data / factory reset erase all user data and resets the phone to factory settings. So use this function with caution because you can lose all your data. Wipe cache partition deletes temporary cache files without removing personal data. So this is safe option. If your phone freezing or is slow, you can try to use this function and phone could be faster again. Mount / system mounts the system partition, usually for maintenance or advanced tasks. View recovery logs displays recovery activity logs for troubleshooting. Run graphic test run a quick test of the screen and GPU. Run local test check the language and region configuration of the system. Power off shuts down the phone completely. Now we can go back to reboot system now and press the power button and phone will restart and boot back into Android normally. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.